Hi Beshies, it's Lara here once again. Welcome back to my channel. So, time check. It's already 1 a.m. and I've just finished working, but I'm not yet sleepy. So, I thought of doing something because I am a bit bored and I can't think of any movie to watch. So, yeah, I thought of doing something. So, naisipan kong maglinis na lang ng makeup brushes ko since kailangan ko silang linisin because I believe na puno na sila ng powder and kailangan na talaga silang linisin. So, if you've watched my previous video, the video where I was washing my makeup brushes, in this video I'll be doing another way to clean my makeup brushes, and that is through cleaning it with 99% alcohol. Eto, this is by the way owned by my brother. At don't worry, nagpaalam ako sa kanya. Nandyan siya. So, this is isopropyl alcohol 99%. So, para sa akin, mas convenient tong gamitin kasi no rinsing required na rin. In this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano linisin ang makeup brushes using 99% alcohol. So, wait. So, ito na yung mga makeup brushes ko, guys. At, syempre, kailangan ko ng pang-spray. So, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. It's an empty perfume or cologne bottle. So, lalagyan ko siya ng... Uy, hindi siya magbubukas. Okay. So, lalagyan ko siya ng alcohol para i-spray ko na lang siya sa brushes. So, ayan. So, for me, it's really a must to regularly clean the makeup brushes to keep it hygienic. Kasi, yung bacteria na nabubuo dito sa brushes is nakaka-cause siya ng skin problems like pimples, acne, or any skin problems. It can also cause allergies, yeah, like itchiness. So, kailangan ko rin ng tissue kung saan ko ipapahid yung makeup brushes. So, may halo itong mga mascara, tapos may liquid eyeliner din. So, hihimayin ko muna yung mga hindi kasali. Para yung makeup brushes lang ang matira. Okay, I also need extra tissues kung saan ko ilalagay yung mga nalinis ng makeup brushes. So, dito ko na lang sila ilalagay. Ayan. So, yeah, I'm a big fan of Nisha for mascara. So, yes, meron din akong liquid eyeliner. At ito yung eyeliner ko. Ayan. At ito rin ay eyeliner. So, these are all, I think. Yeah, these are all my makeup brushes. Okay, so, I'm gonna start now by spraying the brush. Usually, itong mga buhok-buhok lang ng brush yung ini-sprayhan ko. Ayan. Tapos, ipahid lang siya dito. So, makikita nyo guys na yung kulay ng powder nandito na, nag-transfer siya dito sa tissue paper. So, ayan. So, continue lang hanggang sa malinis siya. And to make sure na malinis na talaga siya, dinadagdagan ko siya ng isa pang layer ng tissue paper. Tapos, same thing. Same thing lang yung gagawin ko. Okay, so kung nagtitipid kayo ng tissue paper, pwede din kayong gumamit ng face towel. So I think mas convenient tong face towel kasi pwede lang siyang labhan. So makakatipid ka ng pera. So malinis na siya kasi wala nang mancha yung face towel. So, ito pwede na tong ilagay dito para patuyuin. Okay, next. Ang dumi niya, guys. Ang dumi niya. Yeah, because I've been using this for how many? Like for 2 weeks, I think. Yeah. I've been using this for 2 weeks. Kaya kailangan na talaga siyang linisin. So, ano lang, it's just very easy para sa akin. Tapos, hindi pa siya mas madali rin siyang patuyuin. Kasi, as you know, yung alcohol is madali siyang matuyo sa hangin. Unlike kapag tubig yung ginagamit mo sa paglilinis, it takes hours bago siya matuyo. So, let me try kung may traces pa ba siya. And by the way guys, this 1 liter isopropyl alcohol 99% is 250. Sa Shopee ko siya nabili. Sa Shopee siya nabili ng kapatid ko. So, yeah. Malinis na siya. So, itabi na to dito for drying. So, since nagkaman siya yung face towel, kailangan talaga to ng madugong paglalaba. So, bukas ko na lang to lalabahan. Or pwede ko tong labahan after kong malinis lahat ng makeup brushes dito. Okay, so check ulit kung may mancha pa ba siya to make sure that it's already clean. So, may konti siyang mancha, pero naglalaho na yung mga mancha. So, this is already clean also. Okay, tabi. Alright, Beshi, so that's my other method of cleaning my makeup brushes. Itutuloy ko lang ang paglilinis nitong iba. Ayan na guys, malinis na silang lahat. At I just need to wait for at least 30 minutes para matuyo na to. Itong mga brushes na to. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang naging resulta ng face towel. So, ito siya. Yan, sobrang dumi. That means maraming powder doon sa brushes. So, pati dito sa side na to, may mga mancha na rin siya. So, kailangan itong labhan agad para matanggal agad tong mancha. So, ayan. Malinis na sila at pwede na tong gamitin once na natuyo na yung brushes. So, I hope you learned something from this video. And if you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. But if wala, I'm really sorry. So, thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!